I know that we are all irritated and frustrated at the proposal put forward by the population white paper released by our government last year. I know that we are concerned whether this can still be our home when we only make up 60% of the population. But we have to understand that our one and only natural resource is each and every one of you. However, is relaxing our immigration policy the only way to make up for our falling birth rates? Do we have to force ourselves to contend with the overcrowded transportation system? Must we be constantly worried about being able to find and afford the home of our own? This cannot be our future, Singapore. We need change, radical but realistic change. We need to create a better work-life balance, to provide ample and affordable childcare facilities at our workplaces, and to drastically increase the tax rebates for new parents so that we can realistically improve our birth rates. We need to lower the cost of our HDB flats, to prioritize our land for HDB constructions instead of condominiums, and allow non-traditional families and couples to buy flats of their own, because every Singaporean deserves a home to call their own. We need to drastically increase our bus and train fleets, to have dedicated bus lanes, to nationalize our transportation companies, so that we can reform our overcrowded and overtaxed transportation system into one that's efficient, reliable, and affordable. Together, Singapore, I believe that we can make these changes possible. Together, we can change Singapore into a better home for us all.